Disability is any condition of the body or mind which makes the individual difficult to do certain activities and interact with the world. Disabilities are an umbrella term covering impairments, activity limitations, participation restriction, vision impairment, and mental health conditions. According to WHO World Report on Disability, 15% of world's population are living with disability. Every year, 3rd of December is celebrated as International Day of People with Disabilities. This year, 2020, theme is Not All Disabilities Are Visible, which focuses on spreading awareness and understanding the people with disabilities.
Hello, I am Nitya, special educator working in the field of autism. Today, being World Disabilities Day, I thank RV College of Nursing who gave me this opportunity to share my experience. We run a center called Apurva Center for Autism under Society for the Autistics in India. We work in the field of autism as a main, and we have children roughly around 60 from the age group of 3-year-old to 25 plus. We have different programs running for them. Early intervention, academics, pre-vocational training and vocational training are happening in our school. We do have therapies for them, basically like occupational therapy, speech therapy, vocational training, yoga therapy and all these things. Having said that, just a brief note on autism. Autism is a neurological disorder which affects the children's ability to communicate, to socialize and to do regular activities on their own. They do have little bit of behaviors and we just work in that area also. Ultimately, what we aim is to see a society which is inclusive of all our children. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Miss Pratyusha from first year MSc Nursing, RV College of Nursing would like to share a few words regarding disability on the occasion of National Disability Day. Disability is a part of human experience. World Health Organization recognizes that the world where all people attain the highest possible standard of health and well-being is only possible if health systems are inclusive of people with disability. People with disability have been amongst the most vulnerable population during the current COVID-19 outbreak due to many health, social and environmental barriers, discriminatory attitudes and inaccessible infrastructure. The COVID-19 pandemic provides a unique opportunity to build back better our health system so that they are more inclusive and responsive to the needs of human rights of the people experiencing disability in all their diversity. Countries need to shift towards service delivery system rooted in the communities, reaching out, empowering people with disability. We may come across many disabilities in our work life. Some examples of common disabilities are vision impairment, deaf or hard of hearing, mental health conditions, intellectual disability, acquired brain injury, autism spectrum disorder, and physical disability.